beautiful, and welcome to the last week of maths for this year. We're going to continue with some games, but we're going to do some starters which are linked to your mental maths. Okay, so we follow this link here and I'll put it on the web page. It will take us to a page called the Daily 10. Okay, and for this, what you can do is you can pick your mental maths challenge. So at the top of the page you can choose the level. Okay, so I go for level 4, which would be us. We've got addition, subtraction, ordering, partitioning, digit values, rounding, multiplication. So if we wanted to practice our times table, we might go to multiplication. Then we can choose which ones we want to do. So maybe I might be practicing up to the 10 times table. So put those in. Then you'll be asked 10 questions, write down your answers, and then you check them at the end. Okay, you can choose how long to answer the questions. I would recommend for times tables questions, really, you should be able to answer those within 5 seconds. So I will put 5 seconds on, and then it will start. Okay, so we write down our answer for that one: 49, 60. Okay, so try and be as quick as you can. 18. So you should be writing these down as the questions come up. 50. 28, 14, 42, 72. What do you think about that one then? 30, 81. Then once you have all your answers, you can then check the answers to each question and see if you got them right. I'm happy for you to pick what you do in terms of your mental maths, but try and mix it up each day and do a different activity every day that you do it. Okay, going to go back to today's learning then. So we have been playing lots of games, and this week we're going to concentrate on some dice games again. Okay, and there'll be some other challenges as the week goes on. Okay, so the first game we're going to play is called Race to 100, and for this one each player rolls the dice 6 times and writes down the sequence of numbers. So for example, player 1 might roll a 1, 2, 3, 5, 4 and 2, and they get a sequence in here of 1, 2, 3. Then the sequence stops because it would have to be a 4. They would then score 15 points. Player 2 might roll a 5, 5, 4, 5, 3, 1. The only sequence, so where the numbers are in order here, is 4 and 5. So they would get 5 points for each of those, so they get 10 points. Then player 3 rolls 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 6. There's no sequence there. It doesn't go 1 then 2 or 5 then 6 or 3 then 4. So they don't get any points. The winner would be the first person to reach 100 points. If you don't have a dice available, I will put the link on the web page for you, so you can click on here and it will bring up a dice for you. Okay, so you can use this dice in order to play the game. So here we've got the dice, so you rolled 1 dice and got 3, roll again, a 1, a 4, a 5 and a 2. So you'll be writing these numbers down, and then you'll be looking to see if you have any sequences, and it goes up by 5 points for every extra number that you get. So a sequence of 2 will get you 10 points, and a sequence of 3 will get you 15, a sequence of 4 will get you 20. If you can get a 6 sequence, you get 30 points, so that's amazing. I'm not sure if anyone will do that. If you want to adapt this game, you could start with 100 and then aim for 0, so you can be subtracting your score until you get to 0. You could set a smaller target, so you might say, okay, we're going to play until somebody gets 50 points. You could also change the value of points, so 5 points to 2 points, or you could get 10 points. So there's a few different ways you can adapt the game in order to play it a few different ways. I hope you enjoy it, and I will share another game with you tomorrow.